picture, no bio. Randy Holland, what ain't got no picture, no bio? That's me or somebody else?
Well, leave the dirt at the dirt track, guys.
Angry Fox. Okay, I won. What we betting on? Which one? You betting with Tony?
Yeah.
What you got in your hand?
Don't worry about what you
I was gonna bet all your. No, I don't want to do it no more. No, that's too much. Wait a minute. Hey, y'all, the $20,000 race coming up, y'all. Let me see. I think I'm gonna bet with against Tony.
Once again, man, we want to
40. 40. Bet. Y'all think I needed to bet more? Hey, well, can y'all be putting my YouTube channel, my moderators, put the link to my YouTube channel? Already, it's on, y'all. Put the link to my YouTube channel in the chat so I can easily convert people and let them know, because it's 1080p on my YouTube channel. What's up with it, man? We got these D-Town players in the building, y'all. Yeah. He done went and got all his jewelry shined up day before yesterday. He got all that shit shining up day before yesterday. It's still shining, y'all. Get down and lay down. That's it. He been here 18 minutes. He already crunk, y'all. Yeah. Finna fire up that square. Yeah. Boy, he ready, man. That's what it's finna be. I seen you pulled it out the frame and got the paint. I said, this man, he ain't got nothing to do. He painting the frame, y'all. Man, I don't know which one it was burgundy, man. You were painting all under the frame. And, man, I said, God damn. Man, that colors, man. Man, I seen the frame the same color as a car.
And let me get one. And then buy one of these cigars, cause you tripping.
I ain't got cigar. Ain't nothing in there. Oh, no, here. Yeah, there you go. That's yours.
Okay. I got a rust budget. I ain't got no rust budget. Hey, man, y'all stay tuned for that BTB racing.
Stay tuned for the BTB racing. June 25th. Okay, they got it coming June 25th, y'all. Okay. Okay. Biggest show on big wheels and hard tires in Texas. Hot wheels coming out, colors form. Y'all gonna be ready. They said pimping ain't easy. They already know it. They trying to tell you. They trying to tell you. YouTube, yeah, that's my Lookout Racing channel. Yeah, man. My YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Yeah. Hey, Jimbo, you got the subtitles on? Yeah, man. I wonder what if somebody deaf was watching my YouTube channel. They could be confused. I had made a video that had Funky Town in it, and I turned the subtitles on. Let me see what's going on over. Hold on. Excuse me. God damn, look, I'm trying to see something.
You want that 10,000? You ain't coming? Yeah, tough man. When that simple motherfucker get up there, your tough ass call what you want, dog. Fuck JoJo. And you too. When that silver motherfucker get up there, hey, what's your number? When that silver motherfucker get up there, call him out when that silver motherfucker get up there. Yeah, you and JoJo wash your ass. No, about no motherfucking JoJo. Give me a quarter, Joe. What the fuck JoJo done done? Give me a quarter. What? Win. Well, get his ass in the game. I know. There you go. Lie down. Hey. Lie down.
Let me get around to the other side, y'all.
We don't give a fuck about no ball.
Yeah, I'm trying to. Let me get through here. Excuse me.
We already got our money, man. You ain't want to race you. First you come out, I need to come out 10. You ain't got 10.
You know we'll go. You know we'll go. Did y'all get the 10 up? You don't know how fast. Did y'all get the 10 up, big girl? The fuck you mean? Huh? Did you get the 10 up? Silverado from running for wheel run for? We talking about 5, like I told you, we stand at 5.
That's cool with 5.
Okay then, flip the lane.
Flip the lane. Ain't no deep one.
We got it on the lane, man. You just ain't deep lane. I don't know why they do that.
Yeah, we got to
They don't make you shit. We was over here. I don't know why they do what you talking about doing that. We got the lane, man.
Flip that lane, man.
They don't want to flip the lane. Okay, I tell you what. You ain't talking about flipping. I tell you what. Just tell them to pull the call over there. Yeah, pull the call over there. Since they want to do it like that, pull the call to the left lane. Pull the call to the left lane.
We'll talk to some Monday Night Raw out here. We'll do it that way.
I don't know what they strong on the lane, choice at. The man don't even want to flip. We'll just pull over there. We'll just pull it in the lane.
That's what we gonna do.
Let him pull over there. Yeah, pull over there. That's how they want to do it. We'll go down the same lane. Oh, we in front. They want the lane. They want the lane. You want left lane? Let's get behind us. Come on down. That's how it's played. That's what they said. They already over
Gotta flip the lane.
Man, come on, man.
That's what he
Why
said.
they just let you just pick the lane there?
Hey, that's what he said. Oh, nah, I mean, yeah, you gotta flip it. Yeah. They said you need to flip that shit. Hey, you can't just take no lane. They said only right is right.
Depot lanes and shit.
Yeah. They tell me, well, y'all was in the left lane, they in the right. They thought you wanted that. When I race, I don't care what lane you get.
You not grudge racing.
I know, I understand. I will grudge. Who did?
Lorenzo, you can call it. Call it.
Oh, he finna call it. Lorenzo calling it. Tell.
We got left lane.
Okay.
Hey, Roddy. That's all you had to do at first, buddy.
They got their lane now.
Excuses already. Hell yeah, I see hands up.
Get that size 14. Get that size 14.
Is that?
You get that size 14.
That ain't no 14. That ain't no 14.
You get that size 14 out the way, man.
Hey, Luke. They won't play that game.
See?